Hey guys, and welcome back to WePlugin. In this video, we'll see how you can display your JSON data on Google Maps in WordPress using our plugin. Now let's get started. First, just open up your WordPress admin panel and hover your mouse to WePlugin and click on Plugin List. Now here, you have to search for JSON data on Google Maps and now install this plugin. Just hit download. Now hit activate. Now our plugin is installed. Now just hover your mouse to WP Maps Pro and click on JSON file to map. Now here you have to select the map. As you can see, I already have two maps in here. I'll select this one. Now first, let me show you how default map looks like. As you can see, there is no location marking or listings. Now let's go back. Now you can upload your JSON file here. But for demo, I'll download this sample JSON file and simply upload it. Now hit continue. Now here you can assign JSON columns, but everything looks fine here, so I'll just hit save. Now everything is done here. Just one more thing we need to do. For that, go to Manage Maps. Now click on this pen icon for JSON map. Now scroll to bottom, and you'll find JSON to Google Maps. Now just enable this and hit save. Now everything is done. Now let's go to Map page. Now hit refresh. Now as you can see, all the location markings are now visible. And if you click on them, it will give you info about that. And that's all, folks. That is all there is to know. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with your friends who might also find it useful. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more.